One of the biggest challenges when installing cabinet doors is holding the doors in place while you work. You just never seem to have enough hands. You can make it easier with this one-of-a-kind cabinet door mounting jig from Kreg. It has an arm that supports the door, so you can hold it with one hand and have your other hand free to drill screw mounting holes and then drive the screws. It's important to make sure cabinet doors are positioned with the correct amount of overhang. With this jig, you can move the arm to different positions and then lock it in place. With the jig clamped in place and the hinges mounted to the door, you can set the door on the support arm and then position the hinges in the cabinet. As you drill the mounting hole for the screw, try to center it in the slotted hole to allow adjustment room if you need it later. Driving in the screw with a regular screwdriver is a good way to ensure you don't strip the wood or the screw head. Once the screw in the lower hinge is tight, you can mount the upper hinge by drilling and driving in its screw. For cabinets that have left and right doors, using a cabinet door mounting jig helps even more. You can simply flip the support arm and lock it into place at the exact same height, so you don't have to worry about the doors being aligned. Then just mount the hinges to the cabinet the same way. Whether you're installing one door, two, or you're mounting doors on every cabinet in a kitchen, the process will be simpler and the results will be a whole lot better than trying to hold the doors in place without a jig.